The human voice, it's an instrument we all play. The most powerful sound in the world. It's the only one that can start a war or say I love you. But why is it that so many people feel unheard? In a world where everyone is speaking, how do you make sure your voice stands out today? I'm going to reveal the secrets to powerful speaking, how to use your voice to influence, inspire, and make real change. First, let's talk about the habits that weaken our voice. The 7 deadly sins of speaking: gossip, speaking ill of someone who isn't present. It erodes trust and diminishes the power of your words. Judging. Nobody wants to listen to someone who constantly passes judgment. It creates a barrier between you and your listener. Negativity, complaining, and focusing on the bad. It's contagious, but not in a good way. It pushes people away. Excuses. Passing the blame instead of taking responsibility. It's a habit that weakens your credibility. Exaggeration. When we embellish the truth, it leads to mistrust and eventually lying. Dogmatism. Confusing facts with opinions. When we force our views onto others, they stop listening. These are the habits that undermine our ability to speak powerfully, but there's a positive way to think about this. I call it HAIL, 4 pillars of powerful speaking. Honesty. Be truthful. Be clear in what you say. Authenticity. Be yourself. Speak from your own truth. Integrity. Stand by your words. Be someone people can trust, love. Wish others well when you speak. Temper your honesty with kindness. When you stand on these 4 pillars, your words will resonate. They will be received with enthusiasm. But it's not just about what you say. It's about, how you say it. Let's open the toolbox of your voice. Register. Where your voice comes from, a deep voice from the chest carries weight. The authority, timbre. The texture of your voice, rich, warm, like hot chocolate. It's pleasing to the ear. Prosody. The melody of your speech. Avoid monotone. Add rhythm. Add life to your words. Pace. How fast or slow you speak. Use it to build excitement or to emphasize a point. Silence. Don't be afraid of pauses. They add power to your word. Pitch. The highness or lowness of your voice. Use it to convey different meanings. Volume. Speak loud to energize. Speak soft to draw people in. Now, imagine using all these tools in your most important moments. Before a big talk. Before asking for that raise. Before proposing marriage. Take the time to warm up your voice. Practice these exercises. Deep breath in and sigh out. Warm up your lips, your tongue. Feel the power in your voice. When you speak with intention, when you control your voice, you can truly connect with others. And in a world that's noisy, where everyone is trying to be heard, your voice can cut through. It can create change. It can make an impact. So let's make a promise today. To speak with honesty, with authenticity, with integrity, and with love. That is the key to mastering communication and achieving success in 2024. But let's not stop there. The voice is just one part of the equation. Your body language, your facial expressions, they all play a role in how your message is received. In this noisy world, it's not enough to just have something to say. You need to say it in a way that captivates, that engages, and that leaves a lasting impression. When you speak, do it with intention, do it with purpose, because every word you say has the potential to inspire, to influence, and to create change. The world is full of noise, but your voice can be the one that cuts through, the one that makes a difference. So, stand tall, speak with confidence, and let your voice be heard. Because in 2024, it's not just about being smart, it's about being heard and being remembered